Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. On the red side, cross your arms in front of you. Uncross them as you jump up, then cross them again when you land before uncrossing them again. Do the same on the green side, but when you land, immediately kneel down on both knees. On both sides, roll your hands in front of your chest, then point straight up with your right hand as you turn slightly to the left on both sides, bringing your left knee up on the green side. While turned to the left, twirl both hands on either side of your head once, then bend your fingers twice in the same manner as before. Turn to the right, standing on the green side and kneeling on your left knee on the red side, and do these hand movements again. On both sides, cross your arms in front of you, then move them out to either side, palms facing up as you face the center. Wave your right hand downward twice, then move your arms out to either side as before. Hop backward on both sides as you push out with your arms. On the red side, bring your hands up to either side of your head again and bend your fingers a few times. While turned slightly to the left, bring both arms in front of you, then move them out to either side as you step forward on your right foot, bringing your left foot off the floor, then back down. Hop back on your left foot as you kick toward the camera with your right foot and move your hands in the same direction, then drop your arms as your right foot comes down slightly behind your left foot. Step in front of your right foot with your left foot as you bend your right elbow and spread the fingers of your right hand out, palm facing out. Step out to the right with your right foot as you kick out and a bit to the left with your left foot, and extend the index and middle fingers of your right hand, keeping your elbow bent. When your left foot comes back down, bend your right knee, bring your right leg up in front of your left leg as you move your left arm horizontally across your chest, and rest your right elbow on your left fist with your right thumb in and your palm facing in. Hop on your left foot and kick out with your right foot as you move your hands in the same direction. When your right foot comes back down, step over to the left with your left foot and move your right hand, index finger extended, up near your head, then move it out to the right as you tilt your head to the left. Hop on your right foot and kick out with your left foot as you extend your arms out to either side. When your left foot comes back down, step out to the right with your right foot and cross your arms in front of you, then uncross them as you lift your right foot back up. Bring your right foot down and your arms in near your sides, then bring your right foot back up and move your arms out again. Bring your arms back in as you bend your knees. When you stand back up, bring your hands up to either side of your head and bend your fingers down, then back up twice as you slide your right foot back and kick out with your left foot, then bring your left foot down and kick out with your right foot. When you bring your right foot back down, point to your head with both hands, then hop in place and turn to the left until you are facing the camera again. With your elbows bent, spin your arms outward in a full circle, then spin them again, ending with your hands in your pockets. Tilt your head to the left, then right. Keep doing this as you begin turning to face the center. Turn back to face the camera on the green side as the red side turns away from the camera. Step over to the right as you swing both arms and your head to the right. Hop over, bringing your right foot to where your left foot was, and your left foot further to the left as you twirl your fists around each other up to the left, then clap twice. Step in place on your right foot, then bring your left foot behind your right foot. Step over to the right with your right foot, then step in front of your right foot with your left foot. Step further behind your left foot with your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot before stepping in place on your right foot. Hop forward, then to the left while bending your knees to the left and bringing your left arm up a bit, then to the right, left, and right, bringing the same arm up with each hop and bending your knees to the right on the last hop. Hop to the left, right, and left, bringing the same arm up, then reach straight up with your right hand. On the green side, go down on both knees, while you bend your knees slightly on the red side. On the red side, move your right hand toward the center, palm down, then turn your hand so that your palm is facing up as you bend over a bit. On the green side, move your left hand out, then move it up as you move your left knee up so that you are kneeling on your right knee before sliding your feet together and standing up. Now skip forward on the red side and backward on the green side, then backward on the red side and forward on the green side. Spin to the right, then point to the right with both hands, keeping your elbows bent as you look to the right. Bring your arms inward and turn toward the center. On the green side, move your head to the left, then right, as you punch toward the left with your right fist, then toward the right with your left fist on the red side. Do these punches on the green side as you move your head to the left, then right on the red side. Bring your right hand in front of your face and move your head down twice, then turn toward the camera and tap your throat a few times. Turn away from the camera on the green side. On both sides, spin your right hand in a few fast clockwise circles. Turn so that you are facing away from the camera on the red side and facing toward the camera on the green side, and continue to spin your right hand. Jump slightly, bringing your feet apart and crossing your arms in front of you. Throw your arms out to either side before quickly bringing them back in with your left arm horizontally across your chest and your right elbow resting on your left fist. Count to 4 on your right hand, then push your right hand toward the center while bending your knees slightly. With your elbows bent, move your hands out to either side as you turn to face the camera again.